Courtroom proceedings can be unpredictable, and for Judge John C. Murphy, things escalated beyond the norm on this particular day. Judge Murphy, working to streamline his schedule, suggested that Assistant Public Defender Andrew Weinstock waive his client's right to a speedy trial. However, Weinstock was resolute about ensuring his client received full justice, insisting he would not forgo any case. The tension between the judge and the attorney quickly escalated, with the judge expressing frustration and suggesting that he would throw a stone at Weinstock if he could. Despite the judge's attempts to resolve the situation, Weinstock stood firm on his right to defend his client, leading to a heated confrontation. The situation grew even more intense when Judge Murphy and Weinstock decided to step outside for a physical altercation. Although the court cameras couldn't capture the fight, the sounds of their struggle were audible. Eventually, a deputy intervened, separating them.
Sit down. I'll take care of it. I don't need your help.
No, you know what? I'm the public defender. I have a right to be here, and I have a right to stand and represent my clients.
If you want to fight, let's go out back, and I'll just beat your ass.
When Judge Murphy returned to the courtroom, he was met with applause and cheers from the defendants.
Yep, thank you.
The judge, who had a background as a U.S. Army colonel with Special Forces experience, eventually faced repercussions for his conduct. The Florida Supreme Court deemed his actions appalling, leading to his dismissal from the bench. In another dramatic courtroom scene, Arthur Booth, once a bright and promising middle school student, faced Judge Mindy Glazer. Booth's life had deteriorated into a series of petty crimes fueled by his addiction to gambling and crack cocaine. His encounter with Judge Glazer became poignant when she recognized him as the talented student she once admired.
F15-13303. Okay, Mr. Booth, I have a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you go to Nautilus for middle school?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry to see you there. I always wondered what happened to you, sir.
Oh my goodness.
This is the nicest kid in middle school.
Oh my goodness.
He was the best kid in middle school. I used to play football with him, all the kids, and look what has happened. I am so sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Mr. Booth, I hope you were able to change your ways. Good luck to you.
Oh my goodness.
What's sad is how old we've become.
The judge's emotional reaction highlighted the stark contrast between Booth's past and his present troubles. Despite his 10-month prison sentence, Booth's reunion with his former teacher had a profound impact on him, spurring him to address his addiction and strive for a better future. Michael Madison's case added a chilling layer of drama. A serial killer, Madison's crimes included the murder of 3 women. His abusive childhood and subsequent criminal activities led to his arrest in 2013, when police discovered decomposing bodies in a garage he owned. Convicted of aggravated murder, Madison's trial was marked by intense emotions, particularly when victim Van Terry attempted to attack Madison in the courtroom after the killer smirked at him. The swift intervention of deputies prevented further violence, but the incident underscored the deep pain and anger felt by the victims' families.
Right now, I guess we're supposed to, in our hearts, forgive this clown. Who's touched our families, taken my child.
Madison was sentenced to death, and his actions left an indelible mark on the courtroom and those involved. Another notable courtroom episode involved Tanner Jacobson and Cody Howard, who were facing charges for driving on suspended licenses. the two men decided to attempt an escape from the courthouse while in handcuffs.
Sitting there on the benches together, and he's like, I'm gonna run.
What am I doing? What did I just do? I gotta go with it now. There's nothing, I can't stop right here. There's nothing I can do now. I'm screwed.
Judge R.W. Buzzard, witnessing their escape attempt, immediately pursued them. Despite their efforts, Jacobson and Howard were apprehended. Jacobson a few blocks away, and Howard just before reaching an emergency exit.
Normal, I think one was in on the first appearance on a new charge, and the other one was in on for failure to appear, so we were setting conditions. Grab them, and we kind of fall out the door and hold them until law enforcement got there.
Their escape attempt resulted in new charges and extended sentences, adding a dramatic twist to their legal troubles. Alan McCarty Jr.'s case was marked by his threats against Judge Stasha Warren, whom he blamed for losing custody of his children. McCarty's threatening phone call, which included a claim of having a gun and intentions to execute the judge, led to his arrest. During subsequent court proceedings, McCarty's profane outbursts towards Judge Matt Foxman.
Ready to participate?
No, you threatened my life the other day. I am not under oath. This is being done unconstitutionally. You all took my kids unrightfully. You won't allow my witnesses here. You won't allow my paperwork. Y'all took all my court paperwork. We still deny it. You want to take my kids from me and act like that? You ain't ever been sworn in this court. Bring the camera back. He's making this up.
So that being said, number one, I need to know whether or not you want to be here during the trial process.
No.
Led to additional charges and an extended prison sentence. His disruptive behavior in court highlighted the extreme lengths to which some individuals go when they feel wronged. Jacob Larson's courtroom drama was characterized by his obsessive behavior towards a middle school classmate. Larson's repeated violations of a restraining order.
Why do you feel that she's instigating?
But she's posting pictures and whatnot directed to me. All like a lot of makeup, hair done, all that stuff, like the full nine. She's, subtweeting me and whatnot on Twitter.
Is that true?
I don't have him on Facebook. I don't have him on Twitter. I have him on no social media whatsoever. My Twitter's private.
I want her to tell me to leave her alone.
You know what? I told you to leave her alone. And apparently that didn't get through loud and clear. So today, you're going to jail for 3 days. Bad attitude? You had a bad attitude last time you were in court.
You and her are buddy.
45 days county jail.
Oh.
Okay. 93 days in the county jail. You want to go for a year? Try it right now.
Led to a chaotic courtroom scene where he refused to comply with the judge's orders and engaged in a physical struggle with court security. Judge John McBain's intervention in restraining Larson further exemplified the unpredictable nature of courtroom proceedings and the lengths to which judges might go to maintain order. These cases illustrate the range of dramatic and intense moments that can occur in a courtroom, from physical altercations to emotional reunions and outbursts of anger. Each story reflects the complexities and human emotions that can play out within the judicial system. If you found these stories compelling, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, Courtroom Reality TV, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Share this video with friends and family to highlight the extraordinary and often dramatic experiences that unfold in courtrooms across the country. Thank you for watching.